Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to loop a video in Canva. All right, let's get started with the video. First, open Canva. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type Loop Video. This will show you different video templates that are made for looping. From the search results, take a moment to look through the templates and pick the one that fits your project best. After choosing a template, click on the button that says Customize this template. Canva will then open the template in edit mode. Now, let's talk about how you can make changes. One great thing about Canva is how simple it is to edit text in your video. Just click on any text you want to change and start typing. Besides text, you can also make other edits. You can change background colors, move elements around to improve the layout, or even add extra graphics to make your video look better. Once you're happy with your video and everything looks the way you want, it's time to download it. Click the Share button at the top, then select Download. Choose your preferred video quality and let Canva process your video.